video, I'm going to show you how to integrate MailerLite with Elementor. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to plugins, go to add new. You need to make sure you have the Elementor plugin installed. So I've already installed that plugin and it's showing up here in my WordPress dashboard. So in a moment I'm going to show you what to do inside of WordPress. But the next step is we need to go into MailerLite. So here I am in MailerLite's website. We're going to go to login. Once we've logged into our dashboard, we're going to click on the Nick Foy Golf drop down here. This is going to show all the different settings. We want to find the one that says integrations. Once you click on that, you should see a page that looks like this called integrations, and we're going to see the developer API at the top here. So we want to click on use. Next, you're going to see your API key, so we're going to go ahead and click on copy. It's going to copy it to our clipboard. Now back here in WordPress, we need to go into a page. So first we're going to go to page, we're going to go to add new. Now we've already got Elementor installed, so I'm going to go ahead and click edit with Elementor. Alright, so I'm going to assume you've already installed Elementor Pro. So now we can go here under Elementor, we can go into settings, and you should see a tab called integrations. It's not going to show up if you haven't installed Elementor Pro yet. So if you have, then you'll see this tab here. Once we click on that tab, we're going to see a list of different services that we can connect to Elementor. So we're going to scroll down and find MailerLite. Alright, so I found the MailerLite section. So it's got the API key blank box here that we're going to paste in our API code, and we're going to go ahead and click on the validate API key. Once it's validated, we're going to go ahead and scroll down the page and click save changes. Alright, now that we've connected Elementor to MailerLite using the API integration, we can go back out to our page builder. So here on our page builder, I'm going to go ahead and just find the form widget under the Elementor Pro settings here. So I'm going to drag form out onto the page. We're going to get this default form, and now we're going to have actions after submit. So we're going to need to click on this box here to add an action, and we're going to scroll down and find the one that says MailerLite. And now it's going to add it here as additional tab. So we've got email, it added an email tab. We have MailerLite, it added a MailerLite tab. If I get rid of email, it'll get rid of the email drop down tab, so now we just have the MailerLite one left. So you won't see this MailerLite tab until you've actually added an action first. So now we can go ahead and drop down here. We can see that the API key is connected, and now it's going to start populating different groups that we have set up in MailerLite. So subscriber groups, so that we can pick a subscriber group that we want to use to capture emails and send subscriber information over to that group using the API key. So once somebody fills out this form and they click send, it'll send it to whatever group we select here, and then it'll come back into our MailerLite account here as a new subscriber, and it'll put them under the subscribers tab, and then we'll go under groups, and you can see the different groups that we've set up. So right now on my website, for example, that I just switched over to, I have blog signups, so that's the group that I would select over here. Alright, so that's the basics of how to integrate MailerLite with your WordPress account using Elementor Pro plugin, and then how to connect it up to the form using the Elementor Pro form widget. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to the channel, Nick Foy TV, and you can check out my playlist as well on how to build a website, as well as different plugin tutorials that I have set up playlists for. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.